హలో ఎవ్రీవన్, వెల్కమ్ బ్యాక్ టు విద్యా టీవీ. ఈ పర్టికులర్ వీడియోలో మనం ఇంగ్లీష్ లాంగ్వేజ్ ఆప్టిట్యూడ్ సంబంధించిన మల్టిపుల్ చాయిస్ క్వశ్చన్స్ చేద్దాం. టాపిక్ వచ్చేసి వన్ వర్డ్ సబ్స్టిట్యూషన్ ఫర్ ద గివెన్ సెంటెన్స్. అండ్ ఫస్ట్ వన్ ఈజ్ వాయిస్ దట్ కెనాట్ బీ హర్డ్. ఆప్షన్స్: ఆడబుల్, inaudible, faint, unheard. Okay, voice that cannot be heard, and the answer is option B, inaudible. Option B, inaudible. Next question: pertaining to the west. Pertaining to the west, what is the single word for that? Options are occidental, oriental, terrestrial, celestial, and the answer is pertaining to the word west. One word substitution is option A, occidental. Option A, occidental. Next question: gradually advanced. Gradually advanced, the options are evolved, evaded, advantaged, evolved. These are the options, and the answer for gradually advanced, one word substitution is option D, evolved. Gradually advanced, option answer is evolved. Next question: one not concerned with right or wrong. One not concerned with right or wrong, and the options are immoral, immortal, amoral, and moral. So the single word for one not concerned with right or wrong, answer is option C, amoral. Option C, amoral. Next question వచ్చేసి one who pretends to be what he is not. One who pretends to be what he is not, and the options are pessimist, optimist, infallible, hypocrite. Infallible, hypocrite, and the answer for one who pretends to be what he is not, the single word is option D, hypocrite. Option D, hypocrite. Next question, next one: failing to discharge one's duty. Failing to discharge one duty, the options are determination, deterrent, dereliction, debacle, and the answer is option C, dereliction. Failing to discharge one duty, one word substitution is dereliction. Next question is rules governing social acceptable behavior. Rules governing social acceptable behavior, the options are formality, behavior, etiquette, politeness, and the answer is rules governing socially acceptable behavior, and one word answer for that is option C, etiquette. Option C, etiquette. Next question: an indirect reference. What is the one word substitution for an indirect reference? The options are remarks, suggestion, aside, and innuendo, and the answer is an indirect reference. One word substitution answer is option D, innuendo. Do, right? I don't know whether it is correct pronunciation, but the answer is option D, innuendo. Next question: write or carve words on stone or paper. Write or carve words on stone or paper. Options are imprint, affix, inscribe, sketch, and the answer for write or carve words on stone or paper, it is inscribe. Option C is the right answer. It is inscribe. Next, A place for fish or water plants. A place for fish or water plants. The options are apiary, herbarium, aquarium, aviary. And the answer is, an answer for place for fish or water plants is option C, aquarium. Option C, aquarium. Next question. Property handed down after the death of a person. Property handed down after the death of a person. What is it called? What is the one word for this sentence? Options are patrimony, inheritance, legend, legacy. And the answer is property handed down after the death of a person. It is nothing but option B, inheritance. Inheritance. Option B, inheritance. Right. Next one. One who practices one of the fine arts. One who practices one of the fine arts. And the options are designer, architect, artist, painter. These are the options, and the answer for one who practices one of the fine arts is option C, he called an artist. Artist is the right answer. One word substitution for one who practices one of the fine arts. Next question. One who runs away from justice or the law. One who runs away from the justice or the law. The options are criminal, fugitive, thief, smuggler. And the answer is one who runs away from the justice or the law is called as option B, fugitive. Option B, fugitive. Next question. Anything which is no longer in use. Anything which is no longer in use. The options are pristine, lapsed, obsolete, obscure. Obscure. Option D, obscure. And the answer is anything which is no longer in use. The one word substitution is option C, obsolete. Option C, obsolete. Next question. An occasion of great importance. An occasion of great importance. The options are Herculean, grandiose, momentous, exemplary. And the answer for an occasion of great importance, one word substitution is option C, momentous. Option C, momentous. Next question. A shady, fertile place in the desert. What is it called? A shady, fertile place in the desert. The options are motel, orchard, garden, oasis. And the answer for a shady, fertile place in the desert, it is called as oasis. Option D is the right answer. Oasis. Next question. Violation of the sanctity of a sacred place. Violation of the sanctity of a sacred place. What is it called? Options: sacrilege, sedition, blasphemy, and sin. And the answer is violation of the sanctity of a sacred place. We call it as blasphemy. Option C is the right answer. Next question. That which cannot be captured. That which cannot be captured. The options are impregnable, slippery, ungraspable, and untakeable. And the answer for that which cannot be captured is option C, ungraspable. Option C, ungraspable. Right. These are the questions related to one word substitution, English language aptitude. Right. That's all for this video. Thank you.